And this is our life breath control panel, what we spoke about with our HRV. This is how you're going to want to control the humidity and the moisture in your home. As you can see, we like to preset it to a low setting at about 30% humidity on a 20-40 setting. 20-40 means 20 minutes that it runs and 40 minutes that it rests. If you keep it at this regular setting, you will have the most optimal setting in your home for humidity and for fresh air. If you do require some additional removal of moisture, say you're having a gathering and you have lots of people in the home, or you could also be cooking something that needs to have extra smells taken and filtered through your home, please feel free to push that percentage up for a time being. And then we just recommend that when it's all finished, we bring it back down to that regular low setting, about 30% on a 20-40 timer.